Hi, I'm Ann Lumley, and I'm the attorney that you're going to meet with to talk about your loved one's estate. First of all, I want to say I'm very sorry for your loss, and I know that right now you and your family are going through a lot, and it's probably the last thing you want to do to come and talk to me about the intricate legal details of your loved one's estate. But I want you to know that we are very much aware of that, and it's our goal to make this process as easy and painless as possible. Estate administration is the process of taking your loved one's assets and getting them retitled correctly and distributed where they're supposed to be. Probate is when that process involves the court system. What we're going to do at our meeting is talk about each of your loved one's assets and look at it closely to see how the asset's titled and to see which rule book applies, because what says where it's going to go depends on the type of asset. If the asset is like a bank account with right of survivorship, or if it's life insurance with a beneficiary designation, then the rule book's going to be that particular contract, and that will tell you where the asset's going to go. If there's a trust and all the assets are titled in the name of the trust, then the trust is going to be the rule book, and that will tell us how to get the assets where they're supposed to go. If there's an asset that is what would be a probate asset, like something titled in the decedent's name without right of survivorship or a pay on death designation, that asset you have to do something through the court. If you have a will, then we'll look to make sure that the will is valid, and we'll talk about what tools are used with a will in the probate court. If there's no will, then we're looking at the laws of intestacy to be the rule book, and we'll talk about the family structure and the dynamics to see where those assets would go and which tools would be available in that situation. So by the end of our meeting, you should have a good understanding of what's available to you so that you can make an informed decision on the best path to move forward, and we would help advise you with that. You're going to get a packet from us. It's kind of lengthy with a lot of information that we're requesting, and it's because of what we need to do in our meeting. Do the best that you can. We'll go through it together at the meeting, and when you're going through it, if you have any questions or if anything else pops up, write them down and bring them with you so that we can go over them and make sure that all your questions are answered. I look forward to meeting you. Thank you.